everyone, welcome to Darshan journey. I'm super excited to discuss about my next Python project, which is a QR code generator. Before proceeding further, I kindly request you to take a moment to subscribe to my channel as it motivates me to create more such content for you guys in the future. Without further delay, let's get started. What is QR code? QR code stands for Quick Response Code, and it is one of the most commonly used types of two-dimensional matrix barcodes. The QR code was invented by a company called Wave for labeling automobile parts. A QR code is a machine-readable optical image that contains information about the item it represents. When generating a QR code, it can contain data for location, identification, and web tracking. QR codes use 4 standardized modes of encoding: numeric, alphanumeric, byte or binary, and the fifth and final one is kanji, a Chinese script. Now that we have learned what a QR code is, who invented it, and what information it can store, let's explore its common use cases. QR codes are widely used in various scenarios. For example, when making payments in shops or malls, QR codes come in handy. You can simply scan the QR code, enter the amount, and provide your UPI ID for payment. Additionally, people who manage WhatsApp groups use QR code to easily invite others to join their groups, and website owners do the same to direct users to their website. QR codes are also commonly used for contract cards. Here are some of the examples of how can you use the QR code. The QR code on the left would redirect to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I kindly request you to take a moment to subscribe, please. Similarly, you can also display the QR code to rent out the property instead of mobile number. By scanning the QR code, the interested person would be redirected to the website which contains the detailed information about your property, and it helps them with all the required information to decide without even contacting you. Now that we have covered the practical uses of QR code, let's learn how to generate them. There are many QR code generators available, including software and online tools, some of which are free and while others offer paid subscriptions. Allow me to perform a demo of my Python-based QR code generator. Alright, welcome to the demo. Double click on the qrgen.exe. And then it will pop up a window like this, asking you to enter a URL in order to generate the QR code. I am not specifying it as a URL. It can be any piece of information required to generate a QR code. But in my case, I'll be using a QR code. Here is a sample YouTube URL. Let me copy it and paste it. Then click on the generate QR code icon. Now a notification pops up saying QR code generated. QR code saved to this file location .png. So now the QR code will be displayed after it's generated. You can either directly scan it from here or open the file location by clicking on the Open QR code folder. After this, you can scan the QR code and it will successfully open YouTube. I have given the link for the executable file in the description. Please give it a try and let me know your feedback. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.